Are you shocked to hear that key ministers are skipping Parliament sessions? Zimbabwe is buzzing today as Speaker of Parliament Jacob Mudenda drops a bombshell. He's revealed that several ministers, including Finance Minister Prof. Mthuli Ncube, Health Minister Dr. Mombashora, and Environment Minister Honourable Muchinguri Kashiri, have been frequently absent from Parliament without any explanation. Mudenda didn't mince words, stating that these absences are contrary to Section 107(2) of the Constitution. And guess what? President Emmerson Mnangagwa is now stepping in. According to Mudenda, the President is set to take necessary action against these ministers. This revelation has sparked debates across the nation. Will this lead to a shake-up in the government? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.